Hello family, welcome to my channel Miata V. Thank you for clicking my videos. In today's video, I'll be preparing some avocado oil that I can use for my hair. So I got 3 avocado from the open market that I'll be using in this video. Let's see how it turns out, because sometimes when you open an avocado, some of it can be rotten, which I'm not sure about. But let's see how when we open it in this video, how it's going to turn out, whether it's going to be rotten or not, I'm not sure. So watch out as we prepare our avocado oil. And because I'm preparing this avocado oil to use for my hair, I'll be adding additional tea tree oil just to change the smell of it when I apply it to my hair. I don't want my hair to smell like food, so I just add a little bit of tea tree oil to just change the scent of it.